In this video, I'll show you how to get an Adobe Creative Cloud discount code in 2026. First, visit the official Adobe website and sign in to your Adobe account. If you don't already have an account, create one to access Adobe's subscription plans. Next, browse the available Creative Cloud plans and check whether Adobe is currently offering promotional pricing, seasonal sales, student and teacher discounts, or special offers for new subscribers. After that, subscribe to Adobe's email newsletter to receive updates about upcoming promotions and exclusive deals. You can also check your Adobe account for personalized discounts that may be available. Now, if you have a valid discount code, select the Creative Cloud plan you want to purchase and continue to the checkout page. Enter your discount code in the promo code or coupon code field and confirm that the discount has been applied before completing your order. Finally, review your order summary to verify the discounted price and finish your purchase. If there aren't any active promotions, check back during major sales events, as Adobe frequently offers limited-time discounts throughout the year. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get an Adobe Creative Cloud discount code in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.